Okay, we're gonna do a video here, and what I'm gonna do is show you how quiet this is at night. Actually, I'll just kind of go all the way around so you can see where I'm at. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we go. So this is our city right here. It's Tuesday night. It's 10:30 at night, and you can see it's quite quiet. So yeah, it's quite quiet. And for some reason, I've seen a lot of police tonight. There was some police right here that might have caught them on the film. I saw a handful over here, and then a handful over there. I'm not sure what that is exactly, but I will explain a few things that happened recently. There was a lady. There's over here. There's something called Jollibee's. It's a Filipino fast food restaurant, and basically what happened was. There was a lady that came over from Hong Kong. She's originally from the Philippines, and she is sick with coronavirus. So she was here for 6 or 7 days, and she got here before the ban of non-locals. So she was able to hang out for a while, and so she was hanging out in this area. I think she was here for 4 to 6 days. I can't recall exactly. But she was hanging out in front of Sao Domingo's, which is, I'm gonna show you where it's at right now. This big yellow building. And she also used to go to a market almost every day here. So it's kind of a big news. The big market is Sao Domingo's over there. So here's a big church, really beautiful. And we're just gonna show you a little bit. Everything is closed already. So yeah, actually it's quite beautiful at nighttime. This is usually quite lit up too, but it's not tonight. And this is kind of like a little plaza. So we're gonna walk straight through here and keep showing you what's more that's around here. So anyways, this is Sao Paulo Church, Sao Paulo Market. And then down that way is where the Jollibee's was at too. It's quite nice in here. So basically people feel like there might be a bigger shutdown coming up very soon because of it all. It's almost April 1st. It's basically the morning of April 1st. March 31st right now. Heard some activity up there. Okay, so we're going to finish up pretty soon. But basically that's what's happening here. And then we just got our 40th and 41st case. And I also want to say something else about a few things around here. That is that these two cases are asymptomatic. They don't show any signs at all. And the reason I want to say that is because this is interesting news for everybody. I mean, there's lots of testing already in Iceland about this. Germany's testing a large number of people. China and Korea both tested large numbers of people. But here, as they come in, they get tested, and then they come off these planes, and sometimes they're positive. And that's what's happened here. Is they're positive. Let's just see what that is. The sound. Anyways. So that basically means that sometimes people will show signs, but they're not, but they're actually positive. So implications for that are that, let's see which way, we're going to keep walking a little bit further. Implications are that I'm going to walk down here and then this alley, and I'm going to go around to this one street. So I'll just take the camera the whole time. So we're gonna go down this way, and then we're gonna go down this little alley right here. I just was saying some things, and then this particular camera can only record 3 minutes total, so I lost it. But we have 2 new cases, and they are cases that show no signs of any symptoms. So that's actually why it's so important to do testing. This is a pretty cool street in the daytime. You can see these bright colors in here. And so basically, we're gonna walk. I think we're gonna take a right here, I think. Let's see if this is the street. Street of Angels. Cabeza de Angels. Right there. So we're gonna walk down the street. So that means it's really important to do testing, because then you can capture everybody that may or may not have it. So these particular 2 people came in from the UK, and they're part of a cluster of other people that also did too. And these 2, the most recent ones, have no signs, but they're positive. So basic thing is it's important to capture that. Let's see, we'll just go around this corner. Quite quiet tonight. It's actually, I don't know how well you can see things at nighttime. So we're basically walking around in kind of like the old quarter of Macau, more or less. And so anyways, so that's so now we have 41 cases here, and most of them have been coming in off airplanes. And if you've caught some of my other videos, you've heard me talking about how airplanes should probably be grounded, because a lot of people are coming off that. And then most recently, we've banned fresh people from coming in. So now there's a lot of people that were coming in before, and then they quarantine them. So when you're dealing with a smaller population, it's easier to manage things and then learn things from it as well. So I think those are some things that we're learning in Macau, is that people can carry it. It's pretty cool right there. Beautiful image right there. Okay. So we're also gonna try to capture all the nuances around here. So to sum up, that's basically what's happening here. We got asymptomatic. We got various cases. The one that came in from the Filipino came in affects the whole Filipino community. So there's a number of them now that have come in from Manila and been staying at boarding houses with other people. And so that's kind of the more concern right now, is maybe the Filipino community, they could be infecting each other, and then we're going to see if there's transmission in the city. But at the moment, we haven't seen those cases yet, but we might soon. So we're doing contact tracing as well to verify that. So, okay. Just going to show you a little bit what's going on. Our main street, quite quiet at nighttime. And yeah, there's a lot more police presence around too, so it's kind of interesting. So, okay. Let's see. So up there is our Lisboa casino. And we're just gonna walk a little bit more. Show you some of the other stuff that's up here. And this is definitely a pretty cool street right here. So this is the one that we just walked down, and that's the street that we were on before. So I'm just gonna try to capture it like that. Little cafe Eskimo. So okay, so that's basically what's going on in Macau. We'll keep you updated to see if something happens where there's more cases that come up in either one of those ways.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.